A flight of an engineering thought. From a technological and scientific viewpoint, the preparation of an aircraft for a flight is even more complex than the takeoff itself. The motion of aircraft, trains and cars is a result of great work and magnificent developments by those capable of working with electricity. The relationship between man and electricity could be compared to that of the relationship between man and horse. Some time back, while keeping a vigil on wild horses from a hideout, mankind wanted to conquer and control this elemental natural force. Through being able to ride a horse, man has achieved remarkable progress in his development, but he needed much more knowledge, experience, and above all, desire to master electricity. Estel has done this. Estel's process can be described as follows. We take power and pass it in the right direction for you by giving it the correct vector. The company traces its history back to 1870 and is now one of the global leaders in the development and production of power converter technology and semiconductor devices. Presently, Estel develops and manufactures innovative electrical equipment. So, what is the Tallinn electrical plant Estel? It is experience, science, technology, energy, leadership. Formerly, Estel was known as Kalani's Tallinn Electrical Factory and the Scientific Production Association, Electrotechnica. No matter what field you're in or where you are in the world, Estel develops, manufactures and supplies the necessary equipment that's right for you. Many converter types have been developed for the first time and put into serial production by Estel. Estel proudly produces and manufactures all of its products through a dedicated design department, which combines fresh creativity with specialists highly experienced in the field. Once the terms of reference are agreed upon with the client, the engineer can begin the design work of the future product, starting with the initial idea. Then, by creating a virtual model on the computer, he prepares a set of design documentation. This is furthered to our construction site for a prototype production. The manufacture and testing of equipment takes place under the supervision and with the participation of design engineers. The engineer only considers the assignment to be complete after installation and commissioning of the product at the client's facility. The design department's highly qualified specialists always participate in the tuning, testing and commissioning of all products. When required, these specialists attend to the client's facility to supervise the installation and commissioning of the works, and also for training personnel. Personnel who undergo training are issued with certificates. These qualify them to carry out independent maintenance of the product. The design department is equipped with advanced software and equipment that allows them to perform the design and modernisation of products in a very short period. High-quality products are the trademark of Estel. Since 2001, the company has been implementing a quality management system in accordance with international standard ISO 9001, which confirms the compliance of the products with international standards, thereby enhancing the competitiveness of the company in global markets. To achieve superior product quality level, Estel follows the international standard guidelines at all the production process stages. Inspections are carried out by our quality control department according to the internal customer, internal supplier principle. Main quality control areas are agreement on a set of technical documentation for the product, inward inspection of purchased components, step-by-step inspection during the assembly operations, acceptance tests of assembled products, electrical tests, final inspection of tested product. Necessarily, the results of the conducted checks are documented and are used to identify all operations by personnel. Compliance checks of the electrical characteristics of the product with the set requirements are carried out during the acceptance testing, the scope and methodology of which is determined for each specific product. Products manufactured by Estel are certified in accordance with the requirements of international standards. Not only the experience, science and quality, but also the ability to communicate with clients makes Estel a unique enterprise. The design and manufacture of products according to our clients' specifications, assistance in selecting the right technological solution, modernisation of existing electrical equipment, installation, commissioning and after-sales services. Estel offers all of these services to its clients. Each project begins with a mutual agreement on specifications in order to gain the optimal solution for the client. Estel provides each client with reliable products, coupled with the highest quality service for establishing long-term working partnerships based on mutual trust. Estel develops products for a wide variety of areas, be it electrothermics, electric drive, rolling stock and traction substations for railway, subway, urban transport or even power supply to aircrafts and helicopters during ground maintenance. Furthermore, all Estel products are integrated with power semiconductors that are produced on-site or manufactured in association with leading European countries according to the specifications of Estel. Railways. The entire history of Estel is associated with it. The main Raval railway workshops were founded at the end of the 19th century, and the first electric train was manufactured in the Baltics at the turn of the 20th century. Estel supplies traction substations according to the turnkey method, as well as inverter and rectifier units on special client requirements for electrified railways. Estel designs and supplies converters for electric locomotives, electric trains and coaches, converter units for traction substations of urban transport, underground railway, as well as public electric transport. Estel is a key participant in modern projects to refurbish the production facilities associated with railways. Estel equips wheelset and other manufacturers, carrying out various maintenance and manufacturing operations with heating, casting and forging facilities. Estel Company has developed and delivered thousands of unique electric drive systems to satisfied clients. Converters are used in the mining industry for starting and regulating the motor speed of ball mills, to regulate the speed of slurry pumps and shaft fans, and for starting crushers as well as conveyor belts. In the cement industry, converters are used to control the speed of fans, compressors and smoke exhausters. Soft starters are used for starting conveyors, crushers and for the drives of cement rotary kilns. Induction metal heating technology is widely used in metallurgy, machine building and the automotive and pipe industries. Estel has now developed and delivered more than 5,000 converters for feeding induction heating installations. Estel also produces water-cooled heat exchangers and power supplies for DC arc furnaces. Estel is proud of its vast experience in the production of equipment for power plants. For this industry, Estel manufactures UPS and also converters for starting mills, fans, conveyors and feed pumps. For aviation, Estel offers frequency converters and rectifiers of varied strengths for the ground maintenance of all aircraft manufactured throughout the world. Frequency converters are designed for feeding the onboard mains of aircraft and helicopters during their pre-flight maintenance. Converters are also used for centralising the power supply to the workshops and testing facilities of the aviation industry. Estel is designing universal aerodrome converters in order to provide aircraft and helicopters of different types with ground DC and AC power supplies. Estel has vast experience in the design and manufacture of power semiconductors, thyristors and diodes. The company distinguishes itself by providing exclusive quality on the delivered products. In the production of power semiconductors, Estel uses rectifier elements with the use of gold-coated cathode contacts and filling the devices with high-purity inert gas, which significantly increases the service life of these devices. Unique testing equipment and special computer programs select the devices according to the client's requirements and specifications. The in-house test facility of Estel is equipped with a complete set of test equipment and facilities which carry out the following quality control checks: acceptance tests, validation tests, periodic tests, qualification tests, design tests, and other types of electrical tests for converters and their set-making components. The test facility of Estel is intended for carrying out tests of transformers, reactors and chokes, as well as for testing air and liquid cooling static electric energy converters. The testing facility consists of stands, each of which is designed to a specific type of equipment. The ability to carry out tests under conditions very similar to the actual operating conditions allows us to achieve superior product quality. Estel offers the best terms for designing, manufacturing and maintenance of products to its clients. The balanced ratio of price and European quality is a definite advantage for Estel products. For many years, Estel has developed, manufactured and delivered over 10,000 units of high-tech electrical equipment all over the world. Estel's regular clients include enterprises dealing in oil and gas, cement, the metallurgical industry, power and railway sectors in Russia, Switzerland, Germany, Ireland, India, China, USA, Poland, Cuba, and in many other countries around the world. Estel provides technical solutions to its clients that are always based on the latest achievements in science and technology. Experience, science, and quality are highly valued by clients and partners of Estel. Estel, the only company in Europe that manufactures such a wide range of products. The company offers a full range of services, turnkey supply, maintenance, and the development of unique equipment according to the client's specifications. By choosing Estel, you can be certain of a high level of quality and product reliability. Experience, science, quality. With Estel, electricity benefits everyone.